Would you like to know how easy it is to become a voiceover artist and get paid? Well, if you give me 30 seconds, I'm going to show you. Follow me. All you need is to put your hat on back to front, then you are dressed and ready for the studio. Then we go into a room which was a cupboard, but which I transferred into a homemade vocal booth, and I padded it out with, well, at first it was cushions, and now I've actually got some foam tiles, but you can use duvet covers, clothes in your wardrobe, really doesn't matter. Then you're going to need a set of headphones, a computer, a microphone, a pop shield, and then you're going to hit record. And now I am in the studio recording at a very good quality, to which I could send off anywhere around the world. Now, if you want to make some extra cash, if you want to make some extra money and have a voice and can read, then you should be able to do voiceover work. There's no one type of voice. The whole world, the whole commercial world especially, are looking for people to speak, to advertise their products, and there is a lot of money in that. I mean, I once did a job where I worked for 10 minutes and I earned $7,000 in 10 minutes. And actually I got a buyout the next year too. So I earned an extra 11,000 and I didn't have to do any extra work. That's how much money can be made. Some people even make more. I generally make around 500 euros per recording because they're not commercial. But when they become commercial, they become very valuable. And so for the investment of a microphone, computer with a door set up that you can record on, a pop shield and headphones might cost you, like 200 euros upwards, including an audio interface. Then you could get started for 200 euros and start earning some money. However, you might need someone to help guide you from beginning to end, showing you what kind of things you can buy and giving you options of what will be useful to use, what kind of formats to record in, what kind of formats you need to send off, how to find an agent, perhaps a library, and how to get work. Then also how to use your voice. Maybe if you wanted to get into audiobooks or overdubbing or commercial work or whatever it was, I've got a whole course available after my 15 years of experience and master's degree where I did voiceover as part of the course. I've got a lot of experience, and actually it's still my main job today. I also run the YouTube channel, Improve Your Voice. I've been making other courses for 3 years now, and so it's not my first course. I've been doing a few, and it's very in-depth. It's 5 weeks long, and it will take you from wherever you are now to be able to be a professional working voiceover artist from your own home. No matter what COVID situation is, you can still do it. You can still earn some cash for yourself. And if you're interested, there's a link below. If not, come to my channel and see what else might be on offer and could help you with anyway. Thanks a lot. I'm Darren McStay. See you then.